Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make a Mjolnir clasp Cobra Knot Paracord Bracelet. So back to basics with this one, with the Cobra Knot, but this time we're using a simple kind of Mjolnir bead, you can say. That's a pretty fun word to say. Try saying it, Mjolnir. It's kind of weird. Anyway, yeah, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with this, especially because of Thor and whatnot. But yeah, a lot of, history and, mythology behind this sort of stuff, but I'll post some maybe links down below if I can find some. But we're doing this Cobra Knot style, and I hope you guys will like it. Nice and simple, different take on the classic. And so if you're looking for where to get paracord and all the tools and accessories I use in this video, feel free to check out those affiliate links down below. And as always, a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters. You guys are making a huge difference for me, supporting me on that platform. If you want access to exclusive tutorials and the monthly giveaway, feel free to check out the link to my Patreon page. Link is down below as well. Alright, that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so to get this bracelet started, I've got my Mjolnir charm here. And the opening is just about wide enough for 2 strands to go through, but it might be a little bit tricky depending on the type of paracord you're using or the thickness of it. But anyways, let's get this started. So I've got the midpoint here of my paracord, and then on the opposite end, right, of course, the other 2 ends, and one of them I have kind of melted and kind of made like a paracord fit out of it so I can make it feed through a bit more easily. So you're going to put one end of the paracord through, like so, and then with that opposite hardened up end, you're going to push that through to the other side, like so, and pull that through, and there we go. Okay, so now we're going to pull on both sides of the cord, like so, until you get your length of your bracelet. Make sure there's no twists. Okay, so at this point, this is where you're going to determine the length of your bracelet between here and here, between the point here and here. So the loop will be on this side, and we're going to start weaving up top here. All right, so I think I've got just about the right length, and I'm sure you can see where we're going with this. So we're going to start off now tying our Cobra knots. I'm going to take the strand on the right, put it over the core, left on top, and then take the other end through that opening there. Okay, so first knot might be a little tricky just because it's a little bit wider, like so. Just push it up like that, and then we're going to continue left on top, right over that, and pull it through. Okay, pull that tight and push it up. Okay, so from there, just continue tying your Cobra knots all the way through, like so, and tie that all the way down to the end of your loop. So I made my way down to the end of my bracelet. I have left about a 1/2 inch loop, maybe about 3/4 of an inch, just big enough so I can slip the hammer through. And at this point, just snip off the excess, and then we'll be just about done. Okay, there we have it. We are finished. And just a quick shot of showing you how this looks on the wrist. And the easiest way to get it on, I find, just have the Mjolnir on the bottom like that. Loop that over. And bring it down. There you go. So this is just one way of using the Mjolnir clasp. And I think it looks pretty good. I would wear this one just like this. So the piece is on the top, because that's the center of attention. And of course we can do this with different weaves, which we will do later on. But yeah, just another way of wearing your Cobra Knot bracelet, this time with a Mjolnir clasp charm kind of thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and remember guys, if you like this content, you want to see more like it, feel free to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.